Hi, everyone. Welcome to 101. I'm Austin. The world of finance. Today we're diving into the diverse ocean of investments. First up, we have stocks. This means buying a piece of a company, literally becoming a shareholder. Next is bonds. You're lending your money to a company or government, earning interest in return. Real estate is another type. You buy property to rent or sell, making a profit from price appreciation. Let's not forget about mutual funds. Pooled money invested in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. Cryptocurrencies are the new kids on the block. Virtual coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum are high risk, high reward. Remember, each investment type carries unique risks. Wise investing is all about diversifying and understanding your risk tolerance. Thanks for joining us today. Please like and subscribe. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with that first investment. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on 101.